Oh my goodness, what is going on with rates? I hear that all the time these days. And listen, I understand rates did move up pretty aggressively in the first quarter, but I want to make sure we're all taking a step back, understanding historically where we're at today. What I put down here below is a beautiful information graph, which, if you're a mortgage nerd like me, you'll love it, that shows the history of mortgage rates. And what you can see here in this top corner over there, and for really an extended period of time, rates are in the double digits. So forget not being in the twos or threes. We're talking about being in the tens, the 15 area. But I get a lot of people look at it and they're like, listen, Eric, that was 40 years ago. That was 50 years ago. Like, that doesn't make any sense. We're talking about what's going on in the market today. And listen, I get it. That's not all entirely topical. So let's just look at 2000 and on. We could see here in this graph before, if you look over on the far right side of it, from 2000 and on, those are the lowest rates really in history. So when I really zero in and I say, give me 2000 and on, you can see even in early 2000, rates were in the 7, 8% ranges, in the 6% range. You can see in this little shaded graph right here, that's when the huge recession happened, the absolute collapse, and people were falling all over themselves to do refinances because rates were great. Well, where were rates? In the fours. Well, guess where rates are today? They're in the fours. They're really good. Now, I get it because from a perspective standpoint, we just went through an incredibly crazy environment that was the pandemic. So rates went really low and they were down in the twos. But if I took that part out, just pop and pop that thing out, and you now look at where that graph looks compared to where it was at a record historic low period post the market crash, and you look at that little line across the middle, we're within about 0.5% of the lowest that rates have been in history once we take out the pandemic, because that was a complete anomaly. So if you're out there saying, I missed out on those pandemic rates, I get it. Yes, those were really good. That, I believe, is going to be a once in a lifetime event. I don't think we're ever going to see things get to that area again. But if we take that out and just say, well, what about historically speaking? We're still talking historic low interest rates out there. We're still talking about a phenomenal time to leverage your money. We're still talking about a really, really good opportunity. The Fed just met and increased interest rates. They said they might do it as many as 7 more times this year. So did you miss your window to get 2.5? Probably, yeah, in our lifetime. Did you miss your window to get a really good rate? Absolutely not. Don't miss your chance. Jump on it. That market is still really, really hot. Take care, everybody. Have a great day.